All right, today is Zippo Saturday, and we're taking a look at a special little Zippo, and it is a copper lighter. Comes in a nice little presentation box. Some of the information is it's a solid copper case with black plated steel insert, and this is a limited pre-production model featuring a hand finished solid copper case with a first ever black plated steel insert, and is authenticated with a unique bottom stamp. Zippo is in Bradford, PA. So it came in this box. And it says right there, Zippo pre-production model, solid copper case with black plated steel insert, ZL, Zippo Limited. And this thing fits like that. Just like that when it gets here, or when it got here. And copper, if you don't know, you can get 1 ounce copper ingots, great paperweight, or you can get a pound of copper, and that is atomic weight of 29, or that's the atomic number of 29, atomic weight of 63.55, and it shows the melting point. Also the density, this is 1 pound, 0.999 fine copper made in USA. Great little paperweight. Not very much else to say. It is a copper. And this is Zippo's exclusive solid copper pilot program. Limited pre-production model. Etc. etc. So let's take a look at this thing. Pretty good example of copper. And on the bottom you can see the copper stamping upper left. This was made in March of 2022. Good stampings for Bradford, PA, made in USA. And there is the black steel insert. Very unique. And it lights up nice. It's got a real good sound. Let's do a drop test on this unique copper Zippo. A lit drop test. It stayed lit, but it kind of bounced around. I'm going to try to get it to lay flat. Okay, so it passes the drop test. Solid copper Zippo, made in USA. Definitely deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bomb.